So when we talk about a local repository, we're talking about a local version of your code. So basically, it is just your version of the code. So it sits within your computer environment and it's for a particular user or a particular team member. So assuming you have your own laptop and you're working in a team, you being able to track the changes you made with your copy of the code is where we say that you're working within your local repository. So your local repository is just your own small area where you do your, I would say it is that small area where Git is being managed or your repository for your storage for your code. Now, in order for you to do Git or GitHub or doing version control, you need to have first of all installed the version control tool, which is Git. So you need to have Git installed. It's an open source project. You can find it online. There's no challenge with using Git. So you just have to ensure that Git is installed on your system. Now, also, if you're going to be doing Git for collaboration, so working in a team or working with more than one person, then you need to have some kind of way to be able to say associate any changes you made to yourself. So you need to have some kind of credentials or some username, which is maybe going to be your email and password, so that we'll be able to allocate or maybe signpost a particular task to you, or maybe say this particular thing was done by this particular person. So when we get to the stage where we're looking at how Git works, you see the initial setup where you need to be able to have some kind of local environment to be able to put some timestamp, some signature to wherever you do within your environment, and also when you send in it online, we'll be able to say this is coming from this person.